Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Guys, I have got brand collaboration with one of my favorite brands, which is Plum Goodness, and this time I have received the Green Tea Care Skin Regime Kit. For me, the most important thing is to have a good looking skin, a healthy skin, and I just am obsessed with skincare regimes, and always I am looking for some products which are not going to harm your skin, because a lot of products are there in the market, and to be honest I really get scared, what if a product is having a lot of chemicals. But luckily the good thing is you can read about the ingredients and then make your choice, and Plum Goodness is one of the product which actually has a lot of good ingredients in it. So I have a combination skin. It's oily, it's dry sometimes, but the main important thing is whatever type of skin you have to make sure that you're taking care of it by following skincare regimes, which are by far the most important thing in your daily routine, because we all are doing work from home, and even when work from home was not there, we have to go out and job gets stressful. Your personal life sometimes it's just getting stressful, and it all comes on your face, the first thing, and face is the first thing that people will see, and you're going to represent yourself through it. So why not have a healthy skincare regime in your daily routine? For me it is very important. I followed the skincare twice, in the morning and in the night. And about this Plum Goodness green tea range, it is going to help you for having a perfect skincare regime, because you can use it in the morning and you can use it in the night. This Plum Goodness green tea skincare regime is going to help you if you have oily to combination skin. It's best for acne prone skin, because basically what this regime is going to do, it has green tea, the main ingredient in it, and that is going to extract all the dirt and pollutants, and it's going to extract the acne from your face, leaving your skin to look more nourished, more glowy and more fresh, and what more you need. And that's the main benefit of this particular kit, and I will definitely recommend you to have it and try it by yourself, and let me know in the comment section about these products, how to buy them, and all the things you want to know about it will also be in the description box. When you open my video, you just have to click on that and you will know all about it. This is the toner, and this is the scrub, and this is the face wash. Okay, and you can see these two products. So this is the face mask and this is the night gel. Cleansing your skin, very important. Toning is very important. Moisturizing is very important. Hydration is the most important thing for any skin which is going to look good, if I say so. The face wash,
there is nothing like feeling young,
and it has green tea beads in it. It really smells so nice. It foams a little bit, not too much, and try to make sure you're focusing on the areas where you have more open pores, like sometimes on your chin, basically on nose, and sometimes on your forehead. Just enjoy your skincare regime, whatever you follow. Just when you're doing it for that 15 to 20 minutes or maybe less according to your regime, just enjoy it, feel it on your skin and feel the goodness, and rinse it and just tap your towel, don't rub it. You can see my skin right now, it's really looking fresh, and whenever I apply these products or I use this face wash, I can feel the results immediately, and that is the benefit of it. And ingredients and everything you can see in the back of all the products, so you don't need to worry about it. This beautiful toner going to help you a lot for your skin to breathe a little bit and get rid of all the pollutants and things which you don't need on your skin, because it's a fight going on your skin and we don't even know it until and unless we start acting upon it. Then we realize how important it is, and you can't live without it, like I can't.
I'm free, gonna leave it all behind.
You don't need too much as well. Just take 2-3 drops and let it spread on your cotton pad.
Though behind, time goes.
It really smells very nice. Usually green tea is my favorite and it's very refreshing to use, honestly guys. Products which smell nice are the best. And as you can see, I have not been out for the entire day today, still it has dust. As you can see, I have a little bit of shine on my face because I'm using these products obviously, but right after you use the toner you can feel the freshness on your face, and that's what I love about this product. The immediate result from any skincare product is the one I'm always looking for. Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, and this is going to be one of the best things you are going to use ever. It has this lid which is good, and can you smell it? Can you please? It's so good. And also I want to tell you, products are vegan, they are not tested on animals. Like this green gel, so just take very little product, not more is required. You can either put dots on your face,
By so fast.
gently just massage your skin using the circular upward movements. And one more thing that I have personally noticed about this product is whenever I use this while sleeping and when I get up the next day, I have like shining skin over here on my T-zone, on my cheeks and my nose, and that's one of the things that I really am loving because it just is highlighting my skin so much. The face toner, the face wash and the night gel can be used daily in your skincare routine. Obviously the face toner and face wash you can use morning and night, but the night gel, obviously as the name suggests, you have to use it at night and you're going to love it. The best thing that I loved about this kit, this green tea skincare regime, is that they have launched a new product, and which is this. This is Plum Green Tea Gentle Revival Face Scrub. It is going to help you extract all that oil, dirt, pollutants and all that acne that you have, and it's going to clear out your pores and exfoliate your skin to the best, leaving your skin like more refreshed, more nourished and more glowy. And what else do we need? Best for your skin because it's vegan. And the second thing, it has green tea. Green tea generally is very good for your skin. It actually reduces the puffiness. It is helpful for dark spots, for your dark circles, and if you're going to exfoliate your skin, then nothing better than this particular scrub. And I'm really happy that they have added this as well in this kit. So this face scrub you can actually use twice a week, so you have to just scrub on your face for like 2 to 3 minutes. Scrub it properly because exfoliation is one thing which is very important and should be added in your skincare routine. And then you just have to take very little amount. Green tea beads again. The beads actually are going to help getting into your pores and getting the dirt out.
Time goes by so fast.
Rinsed the face scrub off of my face. I'm going to tap it again. It's like baby soft and my skin is really refreshed. And if you want to take any beauty shots, I'm going to use this Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask specifically for acne prone skin which needs multi-dimensional care. It helps in cleansing, soothing, controlling your acne and prevents a reoccurrence of any kind of oil and pollutants. And this is very gentle on your skin. You don't need to worry about it, and you can actually use it twice a week, not 20 to 25 minutes on your face, and to see the best results.
There is nothing like feeling young and
Okay, so now I'm going to keep it for 20 to 25 minutes and we'll have to wait.
free. Gonna leave it all behind.
It has been 20 minutes and I'm going to remove it for now. I'm going to take this towel and I'm going to just wash it. So if you guys can see, my skin is well nourished, well treated right now. I'm pretty happy with the way it makes my skin look immediately after using it, and removing is so easy. Guys, as I mentioned in all my videos and I'm going to repeat it here, I will never share anything with you which is not worth it, which is not going to give you benefits. And I personally love these products and I choose only those products which are good for your skin. And to all the people who are going through acne and oily skin problems, please, I will recommend this for you. And that's going to be a wrap. I'm going to end my video right here. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you are already using it and what benefits have you seen, or what experiences you have with these products. And I will end my video here. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.